I was born with hope in my lungs and freedom in my breath. I was carved from rebellion and sealed with dreams. But now, I barely recognize myself. This is not who we were meant to be. I see neighbors turning into enemies, not because they've changed, but because someone told them they should hate. Red, blue, left, right. You've drawn battle lines where front porches used to be. You scream louder than you listen. And now, truth is buried beneath hashtags and headlines. I watch you argue, rage, cancel, and condemn, as if unity was the enemy. You were once a people who disagreed with respect. Now you cancel each other before conversation even begins. I ask you, when did winning become more important than understanding? I gave you freedom like fire, meant to warm, never to burn. But look what you've done with it. You fear speaking the truth, afraid of being erased. You bow to algorithms, not ideals. Your freedom now feels like a performance, policed by likes, shares, and invisible hands. Laws once written to protect liberty, now quietly rewrite it. And those sworn to serve you often serve only themselves. You once carried freedom in your hearts. Now you carry fear in your silence. You've built towers so tall they touch the sky, but your children can't afford to dream inside them. The rich grow richer while the working soul disappears. Faith has turned into factions. Morals are mocked. And life, precious life, has become disposable in your culture of convenience. You used to bow your heads in reverence. Now you scroll endlessly, numb and distracted. What happened to your soul, America? You've traded purpose for performance, God for gold, community for screens. I am not gone, but I am bleeding. Every great nation believed it was too strong to fall. Until it did. You stand on the edge of something dangerous. And most of you don't even know it. But still, deep in the soil, something whispers. A voice not yet silenced. A flicker not yet dead. It says, turn back before it's too late. Remember who you were, what you bled for, what you stood for. I still believe in you. But belief is not enough without action. If you love me, if you ever did, then fight not with each other, but for each other. America is not a government. America is not a party. America is you. And only you can save me now.